Hi there, for today's Read Aloud, we will be reading another story titled Elephants. Since we are doing research over elephants, I thought it'd be good for us to focus on different elephant books throughout the whole week. So, right here it says, learn all about giant and sensitive elephants. So remember, as we are reading, you're focusing on those questions that we have. What do elephants look like? What do elephants eat? Where do elephants live? And that's what we're really focusing on today. Where do elephants live? And then we are also focusing on elephant families and fun facts about elephants. Okay? So, elephants. Let's go and get started reading. Oh, also, this is an informational book, meaning what? We are going to be learning real information and facts. Here's the heading. Elephants. Remember, this is a text feature. Elephants are large mammals. They are kind. They care for one another. This is a bold print, it's a text feature, and here's a photograph. Didn't we read this in another story? Didn't we learn that they were nice and kind to one another? We did. We also learned that if an elephant's hurt, then the rest of the herd will what? They'll slow down for the hurt elephant so they can keep up. That is very kind and caring. Oh, right here. If one elephant is hurt, the others move slowly. That's what we just talked about. This allows the hurt elephant to keep up. Body. So we learned that body yesterday when we were going over Pebble Go, we learned that body can also mean appearance, the way the elephant looks. Elephants have thick gray skin. Give me a thumbs up if you remember reading that from a different book. An elephant has a long nose. What is that long nose called? It is called a trunk. Elephants have big ears. The ears they're floppy. Most elephants have tusks. So most, does that mean all of them? No, most, not all of them, but most of them. Habitat. So we need to focus on this, don't we? Because we need to focus on this because that's the question we're focusing on today. Habitat. Most wild elephants live in Africa. Some live in Asia. Elephants can be found in savannas. They also live in tropical forests. So we've read this in other books. We've learned that elephants live in Africa and Asia. I love how we see all these text features. So right here is a photograph, an actual photo of some land, and this was taken with a camera. Here are some bold words. The author wants us to notice these. At the end of the book, we will go to the glossary and look up the meanings. Here's a heading letting us know what this page is going to be about. And what is this right here? This is called a map. Remember, this is a text feature. We've learned about this. So do you see this color right here? Yes? Good. This is where elephants live. So right here, this is where elephants live. Here's Africa, and here is part of Asia. Okay? Give you a moment to really look at this. All right, let's keep reading. Food. So we titled this in our table of contents, diet. Means the same thing. What do elephants eat? Food, diet, they mean the same thing. Elephants need a lot of food. They eat grasses and fruits. They also eat roots and bark. Sorry, roots and bark are common too. They use their trunks to eat. We've learned this, haven't we? We learned that elephants eat leaves, plants, grass, roots. And what do they use to grab their food and to eat? They use their trunk. All right, I'm going to give you a moment to look at these photographs. I've seen this photograph somewhere else. I think we saw it in the Pebble Go website. All right, let's keep reading. Life cycle. Now, this would fall under family. Okay, if we want to learn about elephant families. So, elephants live in groups. What do they live in? Groups. The groups are called herds. What are they called? Hope you're saying this out loud. Herds. The oldest female leads her herd. We learned about that from a different book, right? What is she called? The oldest female leads her herd. She's called the matriarch. Elephants usually have one baby. They can live for 50 years. I'm going to let you go ahead and look at this cute photographs taken with the camera. All right. Elephants. Okay. All right, that was the last page. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this book, Elephants. Give me a thumbs up if you learned anything new. Okay? Give me a thumbs up if you heard some of the same information. Good. All right, so let's go ahead and go over this. Where do elephants live? Give you a moment to think about it. Go back to this page, because that's the question we're focusing on today. Where do elephants live? Their habitat. Remember, we are following our research plan. Our first part of our research plan was to find out about the appearance, then their diet. Now we're on the next part of our research plan, which is to find out about their habitat, where they live. So I'll read this page one more time, and then I'll let you think about it. Most wild elephants live in Africa. Some live in Asia. Elephants can be found in savannas. They also live in tropical forests. Right here, this color, where elephants live. This is Africa. They're all right here. Or this is where they can be found. And this is Asia, and this is where they can be found. There's some right here, too. Kind of hard to see, but it's right there. Give you a moment to really think about this. All right, on the next slide is our reading discussion, where we have the opportunity to talk about where elephants live. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this little read aloud, Elephants.